festival scene. You're here, and I'd like to know your contribution and how what you're going to do for us, besides bringing festival films to us.
First of all, if you can see, I'm placed sandwiched between UTV and Dharma. So it's like I'm very well placed. And that's how the future of independent, small little Braveheart cinemas would be in India, that I see. Would be flanked by giants and will be very safe. That's what I can say. As far as my role is concerned, I'm playing a small role which everyone has to play one way or other. And I have asked both Anu and Kiran to give me a specific role besides, of course, helping release some of the best films which will come out of Mami. And we are looking for those roles and responsibilities. And we understand very clearly that sitting here has a tag called responsibility and accountability, and we are all geared up at Drishyam Films and also with our team here to take up higher responsibilities and make this Mami not only successful this year, but coming years. So that's what I see now.
Hi, this is Samrat from The Hindu. My question is to Kiran. You said that the mainstream is poised to kind of embrace art house cinema or elements of it, and Mami would play a role in that. So I wanted to get a better sense of how it is that Mami will contribute to Indian filmmakers trying to do art house or interesting cinema.
Thanks for the question. It's a really good one, and this is something that we've had a lot of conversation about, because the idea was in this digital age when you can pretty much watch all kinds of independent world cinema on your laptop, what role are we playing for our own filmmakers? What role are we playing for independent filmmakers here? Because cinephiles will find a way to watch what they want to watch. So yes, we want to give people a great, diverse array of films to watch, but the goal is definitely to be some kind of a link between mainstream distribution and exhibition and the independent filmmaker. And towards that end, we have a few ideas. We hope, this is not something that we're announcing yet, but we hope to develop some kind of a market for our own independent films, both in India and for international sales agents and distributors to come and look at. So we want to be a showcase for independent cinema, both to our own distributors in India as well as abroad. We are hoping to create maybe distribution for Mami winners, the films that win at Mami, to kind of ensure that they get some kind of distribution. These are some of our nascent ideas. With none of us, except of course we've got Ajay on our board, but none of us are in a position right now to do very much, because I think a lot needs to be done that maybe NFDC is doing at Script Lab, the kind of nurturing at the writing stage. But certainly this is something that we can do because we already have submissions to us. We already have new filmmakers submitting to us. So these are just a few early ideas, but it is going to be our goal to promote Indian filmmakers to our own nation and to the world.
Hi, my question is to Mr. Karan sir. Karan sir, over here, Priyanka. Since I'm a short film maker and even you have directed short films like Bombay Talkies, so I just wanted to give a small message to short film makers, which is a good inspiration to us.
I'm not quite sure if I'm qualified to really speak on short films at all, because having directed one is really no template really to kind of go by. All I can say is that all kinds of content must be made, and if it's engaging, then why not? For me, it's a big challenge to tell a story in 20 minutes or 10 minutes or shorter, because brevity is something that clearly I haven't understood if you see my repertoire of work. So actually, being restricted by budget and timeline was hugely challenging for me. We were given 1 crore to make that short film, and it was. I know that I might sound ridiculous to say this, but it had given me sleepless nights. And I really did not sleep through those 8 days because I didn't know how to do it. But I want to proudly say I pulled it off in 97 lakhs. And everyone had to work free, of course. So Viacom gave me that money, and my major location was the Viacom office. Because that's the only way I could have made the budget. So that has nothing to do with your question, of course. I just wanted to share my deep insight on short cinema, which clearly is not a deep insight at all. I really believe I've seen some great internationally, worldwide, I've seen some fantastic short films, you know, sometimes that really move you to tears sometimes, and sometimes the ones that keep you laughing right through. I think that the filmmakers who kind of have made the greatest short films down the archives of cinema, I think have to be hugely applauded, because I think it's much more challenging than a full-length feature. So to everyone out there, if you have a story to tell, it doesn't matter what the time is, really, just tell it. You know, if it's a short film format, go for it. There are so many platforms now, including now at Mami, to platform and position your work of genius. So I'm like, go out there and tell your story. It doesn't matter what the parameters are.
Hello. My question. Hello. My question to Ajay sir. The festival is on 29th to 5th November. It's going to be a kind of festival time. So how you'll manage the theaters, and can you put some more?
I think these
Hello.
three, first of all, it's really a privilege to be associated with this festival. I mean, Annu, Kiran, and everyone is big movie buff, movie enthusiasts, and so that's the common thread due to which I've also got involved in it. So I think these 7 days that we've dedicated is for 3 cinemas, 3 multiplexes, about 15 screens. So we'll only show festival films. So that's how we're managing it. We're not going to show any, even our advertisers, sponsors, and everything will be just dedicated completely to the festival. We're not showing anything else, no commercial cinema, no normal programming that we do. So that's what we've done.
I think that's a great support to Mami.
Not and it's absolute pleasure. Absolute pleasure.
Now we wouldn't need any crowdfunding exercises, right? We're done for the year. It's just a genuine query.
Well, we have what's called Friends of the Festival, patrons of the festival. If people want to give money, we have very ambitious plans. We're not saying no. So if anybody wants to support, the cause of Mami, the cause of good cinema, we're very, very happy to. Please support us. It would be wonderful. But no, we don't need to go out there and crowdfund.
And with Jio, is it a 5-year contract or it's just for this year now?
It's a 3-year contract.
Thank you.
Guys, thank you so much. Thank you again for coming. Thanks.